we're going to have a little bit of fun working through the actual experience that another customer had that was having issues. My apologies while I switch over here to interacting with their end users. We heard the fine people over at WBM mentioning that they had a number of users that when they first used Tachyon were much more effective and much faster, whether it be the background responsiveness, whether it be in the incident form or the CMDB, so you can see things like running processes, again, probably computer slow, or even now in the newer agent workspace, where I can go into a ticket, I can tell instantly that the ticket that I just created for computer slow, the device is online, which means I can interact with it. And based on the NLU, the natural language understanding, a number of different suggestions pop up. Now, these suggestions are built on the actual description of the ticket, which is awesome. But as Damien mentioned earlier, you can go through all of the different knowledge base articles and give you descriptions on what those are and what the steps are. And a good help desk technician would probably follow this. The issue we ran into with one of our larger customers, well over 100,000 seats, is they had a lot of new people doing entry-level positions in the help desk, and they had never done it before. So yes, they followed through the articles, but what we did in partnership with them was we automated hundreds of the legacy step by step into single processes, like being able to tell whether or not there are drivers in a working state, which causes a lot of issues with machines failing to compute and failing to actually work together. So I can go through and I can tell that the floppy drive on this device is not working very well. That's pretty simple. Perhaps I'll use the apply driver updates to work my way through it. No issue. Another issue that Damien brought up is when you have lots of incidents that get put together into a problem state, you need to know what's going on for every linked incident. So there's 12 incidents. I now have 5 machines linked. And in this scenario, I can actually go through and check which devices are having problems with an AD domain. Working remotely, this is a classic problem we run into over and over again, where devices may or may not be in a working state, but our centralized tools tell us yes. How do you interact with the endpoint to find out that you actually have a discover issue? Maybe I need to use the computer slow article again because it's suggesting that for me. So all the integration, all the processing is right there. The net effect is we are able to actually work our way through all of these different things, provide ourselves with a real solution on what we're trying to achieve. And more importantly, we are actually able to make sure that we enable the users where they are in an effective manner.